going to share with you my 30-day plan to financial independence. I'm sharing it with you because it's very necessary that everybody needs a plan. Okay, it's not enough for you to have a dream and a vision that you want to be successful. You need to have a plan. So I'm going to share with you my personal plan, my routine that I do every day for 30 days to see how closer I'll get to financial freedom. The first thing is that I wake up very early in the morning. I wake up by 5 a.m. And when I wake up by 5 a.m., I do the basic things that I need. By waking up by 5 a.m. every day, I feel like I am ahead of the other people in the world. Because while people are still sleeping up to 8, up until 9, I know that I'm awake and I'm alive and that I can plan my day. I know that it is possible for me. So waking up is a very, very good habit. And then by 6 a.m., I'm outside jogging for 30 minutes in the morning, 6 to 6:30. I am jogging. Okay, I am jogging every morning, jogging and making sure to do the exercise. You have to get your body awake, you have to get your body alive. It's one way to feel stronger. It energizes your mind. A lot of people are just so weak, they cannot even stand up to jog. I remember a friend of mine who wanted to join me in my jogging. Just the first day that we tried it, she never came back again. She never came back again. I don't know if she was very tired or whatever. She was complaining all over. And then that's one thing you need to know that to conquer your mind, you must conquer your body. To control your mind, you must conquer your body. And I told you that everything happens in the mind. And so that success that you want, you must be able to conquer your mind and conquer your body. It is very important. Then after that, I make sure that I schedule everything that I want to do for the week into the days. Okay. Like personally for my YouTube goal, I have a goal of publishing a lot of videos for the end of the year. So I'm aiming at publishing over 500 videos. And I know it's possible if I don't give up. And it's very important that you have a long-term vision of where you want to be, how you want to envision your life to be, okay, the things that you want to achieve. Because if you do not have a long-term vision, okay, a long-term goal, it might be very easy to feel frustrated when things don't happen exactly as you want. So, like I was telling you, I'm sharing my 30-day plan to financial independence. Exactly, you might say, oh, but there's no money in all of these things that you're saying. Exactly, exactly. You don't need money to reach that financial independence level. Like I told you before, you need to become someone that can earn the money, someone that is valuable enough that the marketplace is going to reward you for this money. And then, fourthly, the next thing that I do is that I read books. I read a lot of books, physical books. I'm not talking about reading ebooks, okay? I know that people like to read ebooks, but I try to read physical books. The thing is that every morning I try to brainstorm my mind by reading books. If I'm not reading books, I'm listening to very, very important people that actually shape my thinking. Okay? If someone is speaking and I cannot get any value in what he's saying, look man, I'm going to cut him out of my life. It is very important that whatever someone is saying, okay, is valuable to you. If someone speaks and it's not very valuable to me, okay, I make sure to cut them out of my life completely. Not exactly that I've said I'm not working with you. Oh no, no, no. I'm not going to say that, but slowly I begin to detach because I know that his influence is rubbing off on you. Look, your friends are affecting you. I need you to know that you must change your friends if you want to change your future. If you have the same friends 5 years ago and you're still in the same place right now, look, there's something wrong with you because you are not so aware. It's either you are the problem for your friends or your friends are the problem for you. But either way, you must make a choice. If you want to remain where you are right now, continue. It's fine for you. But if you want to change your future, change your friends because your friends decide your values and your values decide your decisions and your decisions decide your direction and how you will end up in your destination. So these are the things I need you to know about my 30-day plan to financial independence. It's all about my personal goals, my routines, and things that I'm doing every day to become the man that I want to become. And that's what I'm rooting for you. And I'm telling you that it's possible for you because life is meant to be enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one.